Oh hi, hello, I'm Jeremy Fragrance Senior. Today I would like to talk to you about a new product called Brut 33 Bubble Bath. It smells really nice and makes your bath nice and bubbly and your skin nice and soft and smooth. The women will love it. So buy Brut 33 Bubble Bath please. Now, I need money. Hi, it's our smell a lot here. I'm just going to do a quick video on a few products in the Brut range. This review is going to be Brut, Ellie Honest. Get it? Brut, 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 Brut. I was feeling a bit nostalgic, said I'd get a few products in the Brut range and try them out. So here's my take. I'm going to start off with this splash on lotion. I'm not sure what the purpose of this splash on lotion is. If I flick around here and we look at the aftershave, look at the ingredients here. You've got some stuff, you know, skin friendly stuff, castor oil, glycerin, all, you know. I don't know what the rest of the stuff are. If you look at the ingredients of this one, it's lacking some of those things that you would see in an aftershave, the castor oil and the glycerin. I think they're kind of skin friendly elements to an aftershave. You know, the purpose of these aftershaves or splash on lotions is that you know you're getting a quick pick me up, refreshing, and obviously antiseptic properties and all that stuff. Now, when it comes to aftershave, I don't really care about longevity or any of that kind of stuff, but you would kind of hope for some form of longevity, you know, long enough to leave the bathroom and, you know. But like this is got zero. I mean, zero longevity. You get it when you splash it on, and that's it. It's gone. This, on the other hand, this sticks around quite a bit longer. You know, you're talking about half an hour. You know what you'd expect. It's in a really cheap, horrible plastic bottle. This one is in a nice glass bottle. You can pick this up for, I think, €4 or what would be equivalent, £3 sterling, £3.50 in deals, aka Poundland in the United Kingdom. This is 200ml. I think it's 200ml, and this one is 100ml. But this one you get for something like €8, maybe €10. I don't know. I think it's a bit more expensive per mil. Put this to the back. And I'm going to concentrate on this one here. Quite a while ago I decided to pick up a few Brut products, you know, hoping to reminisce a bit. I think most people, their dads, their fathers had a bottle of this kicking about when they were growing up. I couldn't really remember what it smelled like, so I tried these products out. It smelled nice, definitely that kind of barbershop quality, you know, soapy. I think some of the notes in this are, I think, tonka bean, musk, some citruses, also lavender. Kind of clean, soapy, barbershop kind of smell. But I'll be honest, it wasn't really bringing back any memories to me. I found it pleasant and I think it's good aftershave. I picked this over the other toilet because I think I'd heard that this was a better longevity wise. The longevity is pretty good in it. You get maybe 6 to 8 hours. It projects for, I don't know, maybe an hour. Rasage in this is light to moderate. Problem with this is it's a little bit more synthetic smelling than this one, but it's okay. Once again, this one didn't really spark any memories with me, so I was like, oh, okay. No, it wasn't until I got my hands on this Brut, Bruut, B-R-U-U-T, by Precious Pearls, that I was like, I remember this smell. You know, like, fair play to Precious Pearls, they could have easily just done a copy of a Brut in its current form, but they didn't. I think they're going off of the old stuff. This is how I remember it. It's far superior to this. When you wear it, you get all day longevity on this. It's really strong. It projects for a number of hours. It's excellent. And I'm just kind of trying to think what is in this that's not in this. Everything just seems toned down in these ones. You know, I'm not an expert on notes or anything, but it's just clearly superior, and it's what I remember Brut used to be. If you want to get the Brut you remember, get this. Don't bother with these. No, don't get me wrong, I'll use these. This is the one you want. Precious Pearls Brut. Now the citruses in this spring out when you open it up. Everything's just sharper, it's more prominent. This is just really dull. It's almost like this maybe 12 hours later. You know, it's just a really kind of a sad state of affairs. A company that does perfumes for a couple of pound, couple of euro, can absolutely smash through the park and replicate these old fragrances in their heyday. These are really just shite, really. Is it a case of Precious Pearls are sticking in maybe stuff like oak moss and stuff that these companies can't get away with? I don't know, but they're doing something right. And Parfums Prestige, or whoever the fuck made this. Who makes this? Parfums Prestige? Unilever. Unilever should stick to making fabric softener and washing up powder, and stay away from the perfume game. I know it kind of sounds like that I'm really pushing these Precious Pearls perfumes. I'm really not, because I buy them. I buy these myself. I tend to not do reviews on stuff that I don't really like, because I find it's a waste of time. I tend to do reviews on perfumes that I do like. When it comes to Precious Pearls, the only one that I really found that was probably not really that great, no, it was alright, it was their Green Irish Tweed. It kind of fell apart in the dry down, but the opening is pretty damn good, which a lot of Green Irish Tweed clones are lacking, but the dry down wasn't great on it. Yeah, but this is fantastic. Try it out and see if you agree with me. Like, this is how I remember Brut. These just pale in comparison to this one. So I would highly recommend it for the old school sense. If you're saddened by the state of these Brut products and you're longing for Brut of the heyday and don't want to spend big money on a vintage bottle, try this. Honestly, it is really good. Alright, so that was my review of a few Brut products. If you found this video interesting, please give me a like, and if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe. Thank you.